books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts. He said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts. I want something just like this.